Giselle Antanju Walters, born June 14, 1978, is a Swiss-Filipino actress, dancer, singer, host, VJ and model. In Neuilly-sur-Seine, France, to a Swiss father, Eric, and Filipina mother, Aurora. She has four siblings, namely Ivy, Tony, John and Sharon. She was raised by her mother in New York and moved to Manila at age 15. Tanji studied at the Lee Strasberg School of Acting in New York City. She obtained a bachelor's degree in communication studies from the University of California, Los Angeles, and a master's degree in nonprofit management from Antioch University. Tanji was 5 when she was discovered by an agent at a mall. She was then launched as a member of the pioneer batch of Star Circle, now Star Magic. She played a planted fan to the contestants during a challenge in America's Next Top Model, Cycle 16, which can be seen in episode 9 of the said song.
Hello? Hi, Stuart! Oh, I'm okay. No, I haven't found him yet. You know what? I put an ad in the newspaper today, and I met so many people. You can't believe it. There was even someone who brought along his own mother. 3 beses mo na tinanong yan, ah. Bakit? Mahirap ba tandaan? Baka naman nakakalimutan mo yung pangalan ng kaibigan ko, si Becky. Siya yung may-ari ng shop kung saan tayo nagkakilala.
Yun na. Baka wala na kayo madatang happenings dito. Siya nga pala, mamayang hating gabi, nasa salubong ang buong barkada.
Yan ba yung mga kaibigan sila sa rin magwi-wish para sa'yo?
Mabuti pa, para mabalasan ang kamalasan ng wish ko, kaya na mag-wish para sa akin.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hoy, may nilaklak ka ba?
Sana nga, pero wala. Wala akong nilaklak. Purong Gerard na nasa mga ugat ko.
Pacific Blooms.
Yes, this is Mrs. Agustin.
Yes, Mrs. Agustin.
Follow up lang sana ng order.
Hindi pa ba dumarating?
Ako, wala pa kasi eh.
Kasi sa pagkakaalam ko, dineliver na yan kanina umaga.
Wala pa
Sige, I'll double check for you.
Pearlbuck Foundation letter. I've been looking for my daddy since I was very young. They cannot help me anymore. We tried our best to look for him. But the process here in the Philippines is too slow. Sus ka pala, hindi naman ako GRO dito eh.
Tol, nagpunta kami dito para mag-enjoy, hindi para maghanap ng awa.
I'll handle the consequences. Okay?
Okay, you'll handle the consequences. I've heard that before. Para matapos na to, papalayasin ko. Oo, nandito ako ngayon sa designer ng wedding gown ko. May konting problema eh. Sige.
Kayo pwedeng pumasok.
Sige, busy kami, press.
Marami naman press sa loob eh.
Kaya nga kailangan namin makapasok eh.
Hindi nga ako pwede.
Alam niyo, boss, pare-pareho po.
Pare-pareho kaming galing sa hirap.
Of course! Nagdududa ka ba? Tagalupa?
Tubig!
Teaching career, one of you has perfected my test. But I'm sure for the most of you, won't be able to get work at call centers, but let's congratulate her. Ms. Valdez? As if I'm thrilled to be calling you.
Simula ngayon, bawal ang manood ng wawang di.
Ang ganda, no? Binili ko ng nanay ko.
Nagtatampo ka naman kaagad eh. Wala, gusto ko lang makamusta yung kaibigan ko. Huwag mo na akong ihatid dahil baka wala lang akong maabutan doon. Nahahawa ko na sa Ayaw mo ba siyang sunduin sa school? You know, I just baked brownies. Baka gusto mong tikman. Halika, come in.
Yes! Yes!
Uulitin ko, sigurado kayo?
Sigurado ka rin. Sure.
Sige ah!
Yan na naman.
Sarah, dali ko muna si Megan to sa house. Susunod ako.
sinama dito?
I thought na they could stay with us, ma. Bawi ko na lang po kila Mang Bads kasi...
I should fuck her